Zippo. Let's open it up. See what it's really like. Heck yeah. It's pretty nice. I just got it this morning. The problem is that I need some fluid and everything. You know what I'm saying? See? I don't even light. So what y'all know about this? You don't know about that? Yeah, you know. Just do it with these two top fingers and your thumb. You push it down. That's about it. It took me about 20 minutes to do this right. See? But yeah, you know. Has a case to it. A zippo-lighter. I love it. It's a nice lighter. United States of America. Pop that, it's going black. So let's put this bitch back in here. See that? Bam. Take that. Close it up. What you know about that picture? Huh? Me and her. God, man. Yeah, you know, that's what's up. Do my thing. The Zippo. It's fucking crazy.